I'm excited because I have a new toy that came in the mail today via FedEx, and my German Shepherd Zeus is going to help me unbox it. Okay, I got. Hey, out of my way! I'm just using a screwdriver to get the. There we go. Move out of the way. Okay, packaging. All right, whoa. Got it from Sweetwater, so Sweetwater catalog comes with it. More packaging, and the Peavey Headliner Tour Series, 1000 watt amp. A box inside a box. Let me get this out. Okay, got the box out of the box. I started. Oh, that really worked well. Let's see this side. Okay. All right, we got black top. I think the front is silver. Got the standard foam. Let's see, it's only 10 pounds, so it's easy to pick up. The power cable. One side and the other side off. Alright, now, as you can see, now I got this used, or this is like a demo model, so it doesn't look like there is a booklet with it, which, no big deal. Have an input, and what's cool is that there is a pickup type button for active or passive pickups. You got the pre-instrument gain. You got 3 different kinds of tones you can start with for shaping. You got the bright boost, contour, which I think is mid scoops, and then a crunch, a little distortion to it. Low EQ, high EQ. You got a graphic EQ 7-band additional. You can bypass it or not. Volume. Well, actually, you got a compressor here that can be used. You can also bypass that up or down. There's the overall volume. And a mute switch, I like that. Headphone jack. And that's everything on the front. Now the back, let's see if I mess this up or not. I want to knock it over. That's obviously where the power plug goes. You got 2 speaker outputs. Move, dog. Zeus, move. 2 speaker outputs. One is a speak-on jack. The other one's a paralleled 1/4-inch jack. Remote switch. I think that's a foot switch for you to turn on the crunch or not. And you got an effects loop and a direct out. Also, you got a ground lift, up or down, and a post or pre-effects, up or down. So that is the Peavey Headliner 1000 watt Tour Series amp. And I am looking forward to firing it up right now. This is Dave, over and out.